everyone, before Group 4, we read a report text about the Sumatra rhinoceros. Today, we will read about the Sumatra rhinoceros in general and interfacing phase. First, what is Sumatra rhinoceros?
The Sumatran rhinoceros, Dicerinus sumatranensis, also known as the woolly rhinoceros or two-horned rhinoceros, is an endangered species of the rhinoceros family and the one of the few surviving rhinoceros species. The Sumatran rhinoceros is the only remaining species of the genus Dicerinus. The Sumatran rhinoceros once roamed to the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in Bhutan and eastern India, across Myanmar, Thailand, possibly into Vietnam and China, and so throughout the Malay Peninsula. This increasing consumer demand for rhino horn has fueled sustainable poaching across Africa and Asia. Rhino horn is sought after in parts of Asia for in the purported medical properties as ornament, often crafted that identifies social status and prestige. China and Vietnam are the two largest consumer markets for rhino horn. Demand in China began to increase in the 1990s with rapid economic growth. Investigation by WWF and Traffic, a wildlife threat monitoring network, revealed that the use of rhino horn in traditional medicine continues in many countries.
The Sumatran rhinoceros is the smallest species of rhinoceros, although it is still considered a large mammal. It stands 112 to 145 centimeters tall at the shoulder, has a total body and head length of 2.36 to 3.80 meters and a tail length of 35 to 70 centimeter. Its weight range from 500 to 1000 kilogram with an average of 700 to 800 kilogram. The Sumatran rhinoceros has two horns. The large which is the nose horn, typically 15 to 25 centimeter long. In the Sumatran rhinoceros is the hairiest rhinoceros species. Its coat can vary from the short, coarse fur common in the wilds to dense fur of captive rhino due to less abrasion from vegetation. Their ears are frigate with longer hair, and the tip of their tails has a tuft of thicker hair. The Sumatran rhinoceros teeth are shaped like two rows of six strong, broad, low-growth molars on each side. These teeth are equipped with strong enamel rigets that cut wood into characteristic 1 to 2 centimeter or 0.5 to 0.8 in long pieces. Over the years, these teeth were severed by the centimeter, becoming shallow plate-like structure. An aging animal struggle to chew their food, lose condition, and may eventually die from malnutrition. The Sumatran rhinos, like all Asian rhinos, have long dagger-shaped lower incisor. These teeth are extremely sharp and are used for fighting and can inflict deep wounds.
Integrally for several regions of South Asia, including the forests of Bhutan and northeast India, South China, Cambodia, and Thailand. The Sumatra rhinoceros is now found only in our locations in Sumatra and Kalimantan, Indonesia. Leasing consumer demand for hosts has driven unextended pocket across Africa and Asia. Horse is cultivated in some parts of Asia for important medical properties and as an ornament of the cloth that indicate social status and prestige. The Sumatra rhinoceros live in the dense tropical forests, both in the rainforest and He creates Sumatra rhinos we are adapted to live in decent tropical forests. They are paid to carry a technically to areas with above food sources such as soup, fruit, soda, leaves, and roots.
Rhinos are herbivores, and their diet consists of a variety of tropical forest plants. They eat shoots growing on the forest floor, snatch leaves from young trees that they break to reach the canopy, and also pull vines from trees. They mostly forage in small patches of dense secondary vegetation left by landslides or fallen trees and along riverbanks. They also enjoy fruit that falls from forest trees. The average Sumatran rhino eats 50 to 60 kilogram, almost 10% of its body weight of plants per day. Interesting fact about the Sumatran rhinoceros is that it is the smallest rhinoceros species in the world and the only one with fur. They are also known as a shy, solitary, and vocal species, communicating through a variety of whistles and whines. Besides their small size and furry body, what distinguishes the Sumatran rhinoceros from other species is their two prominent folds of skin that encircle the back of their forelegs and before their hind legs. The skin is quite thin, about 10 to 16 millimeter, soft and flexible. Sumatran rhinos also have a prehensile upper lip, which helps them catch food. Sumatran rhinos can run fast and are very agile. They climb mountains with ease and can navigate very steep slopes and riverbanks. With protection from their horns, a fringe of hard skin, and cartilage on their nose and heads, they can easily penetrate even the densest vegetation, leaving circular tunnels.